Hello, my name is Will, and I am 53 years old. And my story of hair loss goes back a few years, but in particular, 4 years ago. I'm an orchestral and choral conductor, and we had just done a Christmas concert. And following the concert, I watched the video of it, and I was mortified by what I saw. All I could see was this big orange bald spot on the top of my head, glaring in all the lights from the stage. I was so embarrassed. I couldn't see anything else. I could just see the great big balding spot on top of my head. It reminded me of when I would see my grandkids. They'd come up to me sometimes and say, "Grandpa, you don't have any hair." It's like, ugh, I gotta do something about this. So I went online and I looked at different wigs and toupees, and it's like, well, I'm losing all my hair, so I should go with a full head wig. So I bought one online and didn't pay very much for it, as I recall, and it was garbage. The hair felt like, well, it was very coarse, and the inside was like burlap sack, very uncomfortable, and it looked horrible. So I threw it away and shaved my head completely bald and did that for a summer. But I knew that when the fall came and rehearsals started up again, I was going to have to do something. So for that summer, I wore a hat and just tried to cover my baldness the best that I could. It was so embarrassing. Then in the fall, I heard of a store that was somewhat close to the town that I live in, so I decided to go there and see what they had for wigs. It was a wig store, of course, and all they sold were synthetic wigs. And I bought one of those, but the problem with that is that they were like $1,400. And it's like, geez, well, at least I got one wig. This should last me a few years. They don't last that long, as I was told. The most you can hope for is maybe 6 months, but pretty much every 4 months they have to be replaced. It's like, what? I am not going to spend $1,400 every 4 months to get a new wig. I can't afford that. I bought the one wig. I wore it. Everybody loved it. It was a wonderful wig, but it was completely out of my range for sustaining the cost of that. And not only that, it didn't stand up in the outdoors. Well, then about a year ago, I got word of super hair pieces. So I looked into it, and it's like, affordable human hair. Let's give it a try. I did, and I've never gone back. They are the best hair pieces ever. The hair is silky smooth. My grandkids love my wigs that I get now, and they want to have them after I'm done with them. And they're only like a couple $100. My comfort level has gone up. Everybody loves the wigs that I get. I get 4 a year, one for each season, spring, summer, fall, winter. And I can't ever imagine going to any other supplier for my hair needs anymore. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Super Hair Pieces, for delivering a remarkable product. You're easy to work with, talk to. Shipment is like overnight. I couldn't ask for anything better from a company, so thank you so much.